Hey guys, Sergio here with TechOverclock, and in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at the Firerose MK3 RGB first player mechanical keyboard. It's the same body design as the previous keyboard, same layout, you still have to use the FN keys. So that's one thing that I wish first player gave us on this open space over here. Give us dedicated media keys, play, pause, volume knob, stuff like that. Other than that guys, first player have integrated RGB into the keyboard, and they have also given us a beautiful software to use. But first I want to talk to you guys about the keyboard. What comes in the box? A DVD drive to install the drivers. You get a manual right here for the function keys, the lighting effects. You also get 4 replaceable blue switches, CIY, that's what they call them, CIY switches. So you can replace those, they're very easy. They also include a keycap remover, to remove your keys. Oh, there it is. And they come out very easy. And they've also included a switch remover, and I'm going to show you guys how that works in a minute as well. Actually, let me go ahead and show you real quick. What you do is pretty much use the clip in, put it on the indicated side. Does it go like that? Yes, it goes like that. Clip it in on both sides and wiggle it to the sides, and the switch comes out. Very easy. You just have to put a little bit of strength in there. It's a no-brainer. It's pretty much self-explanatory. There's nothing too crazy about this here. The finish of the keyboard guys, it's matte finish, it's not glossy, so that is pretty good. The material is ABS plastic, okay, and the USB cable is not braided, it's 1.6 meters long. Right here we got the logo, and at the bottom of the keyboard we got 4 anti-sliding rubber pads or rubber feet, whatever you want to call them. We got one here, and 2 back here. The ones back here, they're little stand-up feet, so you can raise and tilt the keyboard a little bit better. Over here we got some specifications about the keyboard and whatnot, and over here we got the LED lighting effects control. Alright guys, taking a look at the software, I have to say that I am impressed for the price and what this keyboard can do and what this software is capable of doing. I am very impressed. Take a look in here. We can save up to 3 profiles, 1, 2, 3. So profile number 1, you know what to do. One thing that I really like is that you can program each single key to do one thing. As an example, I want to have tab to do something, so I can have a key assignment, okay? Or I can put macro keys if you already have some macro recordings. In media, I can have this key to do whatever. I don't know, let's see here. Media player, play, pause. So pretty much you can set your keys to do what you want. Each single key, they can all do the same. Alright, so that is pretty damn cool and easy to set up. Another one, macro editor. So we can see here, this comes up and you can start doing your macro editing and whatnot. Right here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different lighting effects, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different colors. Alright guys, here we got some lighting effects. We got the respire with the option to select your color of choice and speed. We also got the neon light with the option of speed as well. We also got the gaming special key group of 5 with no color selection. We also got the delay off. I think this one is pretty cool. You can also change the color to whatever you like. We have the neon stream with the direction of option. Right here guys, I didn't notice absolutely anything. I don't know why. Right here we got the snake with the color option as well. I'm not really a fan of the snake effect. Right here we got the flash away, very flashy, it looks pretty cool. You can also change the color to whatever you like. Right here we got the flower effect, so it only lights up like a couple of keys above whatever you hit. And right here we got the rainbow effect with the color of choice, or you can select random as well. And you can also choose the fix on, which pretty much it's a single color with no effects whatsoever, just the backlit. So I thought, you know, for 1STPLAYER releasing their first keyboard software, I think that they did a fantastic job. So I really like what they did with this software here. Pretty much I'm explaining more about the software than talking about the keyboard, because well, the keyboard, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's the same keyboard as the last time. One thing that I almost forgot to say, it's that the keys are backlit, so you can see the light through the keycaps and everything. When you put the white backlit right here guys, in real life, I know you can't see that on video, but in real life it's kind of ghosty, like it gets me dizzy. I don't know what's going on in here, but when I move my eyes around or even doing something on the keyboard, it's kind of ghosty. I don't know if anyone else is having the same experience as I am. Man, it's hard to explain. But anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. This was the review of the Firerose MK3 RGB. For more details and specifications, it's going to be down below in the description, like the polling rate, all of that good stuff is going to be down below in the description. So my thoughts are, is this keyboard worth it? Yes, it is. For the price, for the money, and for what you get, it is worth the price. Alright guys, I'm getting out of here. This was your host Sergio with Tech Overclock. I'll see you guys in the next video.